Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will see how to save a PowerPoint presentation as a PDF file. Chapter 1. How to save a PowerPoint presentation as a PDF file from Save As. To get started, open the PowerPoint presentation. Then, in the Start menu, click on Save As. Now, select where the presentation will be saved. Here, in the Save As Type field, select PDF, assign the name, and click Save. You can see the PowerPoint presentation in PDF format. Chapter 2. How to save a PowerPoint presentation as a PDF file from export. To get started, open your presentation. Then, from the File menu, click on the Export option and click on Create PDF. You are going to define where it is saved and assign a name. Click on Publish. Check that the slides are now in PDF format. Chapter 3. How to save a PowerPoint presentation as a PDF file using printer. To start, open PowerPoint and from the File menu, select the Print option. In the pop-up window, in the Printer section, you will select the printer that allows you to send the file to PDF. Click on Print, and depending on the printer, you must click on Save as PDF and then select the path and name. Now, open that file to validate that it is indeed in PDF format. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.